Building a mastermind alliance. 6 traits you should look for when building a mastermind. An example of a mastermind alliance is African Unity, initially formed as the Organization of African Unity by heads of African governments in the 1960s. 1. The trait of loyalty. Loyalty is a very crucial trait to look out for when forming a mastermind group. Ask yourself, is this person loyal? Can he or she be loyal to the cause we are working on? Will this person stick to the cause even in the long run? A loyal person in a mastermind is someone who firmly believes in the cause and will give his all into making the cause a reality. 2. Are they dependable? The extent to which a person is dependable determines the results you can accomplish working with that person. If a person is dependable, you can rest assured giving them tasks and knowing full well that it will be accomplished. 3. Competency. This should be a priority when building a mastermind alliance. Look out for individuals who are well equipped to carry out the job. If the individual is not competent enough, he or she limits the growth of others. Thus, it is best you include people who are competent enough to undertake the requirements of the job. 4. Belief. This is not religious or spiritual faith. The person you want to bring on board should believe strongly in both the cause and the project you want to achieve as well as in themselves. If not, how can they give their very best to a cause or a project they do not fully believe in? 5. Zeal. The individual you intend to bring in should be zealous to the project or cause. The person should be willing to go the extra mile. He or she should be willing to do more than is asked of him or her. 6. Optimists. The principle of having a positive mindset should apply when picking an individual for the mastermind. How positive and optimistic the individual is would go a long way in determining if he or she would be a great addition to the company. Equally, a positive thinking individual will be quick in spotting opportunities to advance the cause. So, pick individuals who are positive minded.